Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just got these fabulous Tom Ford boots on sale, so I wanted to unbox them and review them all with you. Now, do I need black knee-high boots with heels? No, I have a ton of knee-high boots, but the price of these on sale was too good to say no to. So here we are. There are quite a few options when it comes to Tom Ford boots, but I chose the black Croc Zip knee-high boot 105, which are also called Croco Zip stiletto knee boots in some other places. One, because they're such a classic pointed toe, high heel, knee high boot that won't date. Two, I really liked the Croc embossed leather and statement gold exposed zipper. And three, because they're on major sale. I love the contemporary elegance, a mix of both timelessness and fresh modernness in Tom Ford's designs. And I'd had my eye on the Tom Ford padlock knee high boots for a while, but I couldn't find them on sale, and I also feel like I've seen them quite a lot, and the reviews are mixed on whether they're comfortable or not. I don't want to pay that much for a pair of knee-high boots and then not be able to wear them because they're just not comfortable. Whereas I hadn't seen these Croc embossed style before, and I like to have things that are a bit different, and even now they're hard to find. Plus, I also have a very similar design Tom Ford bag. So it's not an exact match, but it is black and it has the big gold exposed zipper. So I think it's going to be close enough to work. So I ordered these from Ford. So if you ordered it from Tom Ford, spelled differently and a different company, they might come slightly differently in the packaging. Yay, I get so excited. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, it's quite a heavy box. So inside you have the pretty green box. Zara's come to play. I was so hoping he'd come out and play with us when he heard the boxes. Hi, darling. Hi. Is it good? You want to see what's inside? So because I ordered from Ford, inside there is a return shipping label. They do free shipping, free returns, which I love about it. A little thank you card from Ford. Not completely satisfied, we make returns easy, and you just scan the QR code. So I love that about this company. Hey, sweetheart. Oh, don't chew the return label though. Maybe we won't let him chew that. Otherwise I won't be able to return them if they don't work out. So I wouldn't normally have this black rug here, but I don't want to try these on our tile until I know I'm actually going to keep them. So back to the giant Tom Ford box. It is a bit damaged actually. There's some tape on the side, but it is what it is. So yeah. Inside we have not one, but two suede dust bags, and actually the quality of those is really lovely. And I do like that companies give you two dust bags so you can keep the boots stored separately so they don't rub on each other and cause any friction, especially with that zipper on there to damage the leather. In saying that, I literally never use them. I never store them in these. I just leave them on my boot shelves, and I'll show you how I store them later to help keep their shapes. Sorry, the mic is pulling my top off in all directions. So I'm going to keep those, obviously. And then we have lots and lots of tissue paper. I'm so excited. Oh, look at those. They are absolutely gorgeous. And as much as I normally love, I'm going to put it in front of the white, a stiletto heel, I actually kind of like the more cone-shaped heel on this. I just think it's going to be a lot sturdier. I tend to always go pointed toe is my absolute favorite style boot. For me, I just think it's more classic, it's more elegant than a square toe, which tends to come in and out of fashion, or even a round toe. This is just sexier, elegant, classic. And then you have this gorgeous gold exposed zipper. What else? Anything else in the box beside a second boot? Because that would be really handy. And then the boots are stuffed with these little things to keep their shape. See if there's a toe stuffer as well. Oh, the zip is quite stiff, but I think it's just because it's such a thick, good quality zipper. I don't even know if I can get it all the way down right now. That's going to take some breaking in. At least they're not going to come randomly unzip. Yep, there is a little bit more tissue paper in the toes. So that's what's in the box. So a few details about these boots. These Tom Ford knee-high boots are Croc embossed leather uppers with a leather sole, the side zipper closure, the pointed toe, and then the heel measures approximately 100 millimeters or 4 inches. And then this shaft is 15 inches. So if you want to measure and make sure they'll be the right length for you, you can do that. And then if you're wondering if they'll work with wide calves or muscular legs, the shaft measures approximately 9.42 inches in circumference. So we'll see when I put them on how they actually work with muscular calves. And then lastly, they are made in Italy. So I do like that they have this exposed zipper on the side versus being a pull on and off style, because I do find the pull on and off a little bit harder to deal with than something with a zipper. One of the downsides I'm already realizing with these though is it does have a smooth sole on them. So you might want to have that resoled, otherwise that is going to be very, very slippery. It's amazing how many companies tend to do that. Now I feel with the leather is a really nice, thick, sturdy leather. I hate it when boots lose their shape and become slouchy. When it comes to preserving your boots' shape and also for storing them so they stay upright, get yourself some of these from Amazon. They come flat. You just roll them, stuff them all the way down right to the bottom of the boot. And then you're going to zip this up. And now these will stand upright, so you don't have to worry about trying to keep them organized, them all falling over. They would just stay there, and that would help preserve their shape and stop them turning into slouch boots. So, oh, hey baby, what do you think? I don't think these are going to do this because they are so well made. The leather is quite substantial, and so is this zipper. And then the zipper itself has the TF on it. They feel really nice and snug around here. Recently, I feel like I have been struggling with the heels, with them feeling like they were the right length in the foot, but then slipping on the heels. It was like I didn't lose weight in my heels. It's really, really bizarre. So I don't know. These feel a good fit there. They're not too big. The fit actually feels bang on. So I don't know if it's easier to put them on standing on or sitting up. So play around, you do you, see what works best for you. Now, when it comes to the sizing, are they true to size? I would say yes, they are true to size. I ordered my normal 37 and they feel pretty good. They feel really snug across the top. They feel good around the ankles, on the toes. There's no pinching. They're not too loose. Are they good for big calves? Yes, I got them on no problem, and there is even a little bit of extra room in them. And I will put a link to Tom Ford's sizing guide in the video description below, just so you can figure out the best size to order. Probably the most important question is, are these Tom Ford boots comfortable? So when it comes to their comfort, so first of all, the leather is beautiful quality. It's thick, it's substantial, it's keeping its shape really well. In saying that though, it's not going to be that soft, supple leather that feels really, really lovely for walking. One thing I'm noticing with them is that the soles are very thin. There is no padding or support. So they're not going to be your comfortable knee-high boots like your Sarah Flint boots are. These are definitely more of your fashion boots. I don't know how comfortable they would be for doing a lot of walking in. I definitely feel like they're more of your cocktail drinks, your lunches. They're not walking around the city shoes, that's for sure. The other thing on me, because I am short, I'm only 5'1.5", 5'2". I do have long legs though, so I have about a 30-inch inseam. And even on me, these are hitting a very awkward position. They're not below my knees. They're kind of in the middle of my kneecap, which is kind of fine walking like this. But if I lift at the back, it actually folds the boot and it digs in because it's too high. So I don't know if I can keep these. I think if they were a $100 or $200 pair of boots, but even on sale, they're over $800. They're absolutely gorgeous. I'm really torn. Let me know in the comments what you would do. Would you keep them because they look absolutely fabulous? Or would this drive you crazy and be a deal breaker too? Okay, so we are going to have to return them because even after that short amount of time wearing them, where it's cutting into my legs every time I bend them, it's starting to deform the leather in the back. So if that's happened in 5 minutes of wearing them, that's not going to be good over time. Now, I know designer boots are expensive, but these seem extra expensive because most women's Tom Ford boots are around the $2,850 price point before tax, unless you can get them on sale. So these were just over $800, but are regularly $2,850 before tax. So that was one of the reasons I got them, because it was such a good deal. Now, when it comes to how to style them, the thing about black knee-high boots is that they really go with everything, which is why they're such a good fall and winter wardrobe staple. So unlike some plain black leather knee-high boots, which are just kind of there and blend in with the outfit, these are definitely more of a statement shoe. So if I keep these, I'm going to be wearing these Tom Ford knee-high boots with everything from leggings to jeans to sweater dresses to under trousers. And I think they'd even go with the right cocktail dress and tights. So my overall thoughts on these Tom Ford boots review is Size-wise, I think you can get away with your regular size. I think they do run quite true to size. Comfort-wise, it's not there for me. They are definitely, like I said, a fashion boot, a gorgeous fashion boot, but think of them as more of being along the lines of wearing a high heel pump or some strappy sandals, that kind of pain comfort level versus being a really comfortable walking, running around in knee-high boots. Quality-wise, quality's gorgeous. You can't fault it. It's absolutely fabulous. From the beautiful leather to the beautiful hardware to the beautiful stitching and construction, they are a fabulous pair of boots. Price-wise, are they worth it? If you're used to paying for designer knee-high boots, I don't think it's going to be a sticker shock for you. If you can get them on sale, even better, and I will put a link below to a lot of Tom Ford boots I actually found on sale for you. Don't blame me if they've gone out of stock or they've sold out because they're on sale, because they do have some really good deals like these. I think the size below this and above this is sold out, so I can't even change the size even if I wanted to. So will I be keeping them? Honestly, I'm so torn, because I love them. And to be fair, there's not a ton of walking around in Vegas. We tend to get in the car in the garage, get out of the valet, go to a restaurant, come home. We're not walking around cities. We're not trekking around stores. So I think for what I would wear them for, I could deal with the comfort. What's kind of the breaking point for me is I just don't think this length, the shaft, is too long for me. I think these are going to be better if you're taller or have longer legs than I do. If you've personally tried this specific style of Tom Ford boots, let me know in the comments below how you found the fit, the comfort, all the rest of it, if you love them or return them. Also, if you've tried any of the other Tom Ford boots, like the padlock boots, and you think I should try those instead, let me know, because I do love Tom Ford. I think gorgeous, gorgeous styles, gorgeous quality. So maybe I just need to change the style of them. So if you don't like this particular style of Tom Ford boots, or if they're sold out, the most famous Tom Ford knee-high boot styles are the leather padlock boots and the leather Whitney boots. So there are definitely pros and cons to ordering shoes and boots online. I feel like if I'd gone into a Tom Ford boutique and tried these on, I'd be like, oh my God, I absolutely love them. I have to have them. They're gorgeous. Yes, they fit. I wouldn't have walked around with them. I wouldn't have been lifting my legs, playing around. It was when I was trying to squat down for the video, I was like, oh, I can't squat in them because they were digging in. Things like that. So that's definitely one of the benefits of ordering online. If you go with someone like Ford or Nordstrom's, maybe somewhere that offers free shipping, free returns, it's going to be a lot easier for you to deal with it, to try them on at home, walk around a little bit on the carpet, really see how they fit, do some everyday movements and see if you can actually move in them. So for me, I think that's one of the reasons I like trying them on at home. But in saying that, it is going to take more time if I need to try different sizes, rather than paying for 3 pairs of boots at once. That's a lot to go on the credit card. They're going to go back and forth, and by that time they could sell out. So definitely pros and cons, so figure out where's best for you to get them from. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe. Oh, and by the way, I have launched my YouTube channel memberships, so click the join button to check out all of the awesome perks that come with that.